जय गुरुदेव जयतु गुरुदेव Sri Radha. Bhagya Suktam. If you chant Bhagya Suktam regularly in the Brahma Muhurt, you'll see a beautiful change in the life. Let's chant Bhagya Suktam. Atha Bhagya Suktam. Om Prataragnim Pratarindragum Havamahe Pratarmitra Varuna Pratarashvina Pratarbhagam Pushanam Brahmanaspatim Pratas Somamutarudragum Huvema Pratarjitam Bhagamugragum Huvema Vayam Putramaditeryo Vidharta Adhrashchidyam Manyamanas Chidyam Bhagam Bhakshityaha Bhagapranetar Bhagasatyarādho Bhageman Dhiyamudavadadanna Bhagaprano Janayago Bhirashvair Bhagapranirvirnivantasyama Utedanim Bhagavantasyamota Prapitva Utamadhye Ahnaam Utodita Magavant Suryasya Vayan Deva Nagun Sumatausyama Bhaga Eva Bhagavagum Astu Devastena Vayam Bhagavantasyama Tantva Bhaga Sarva Ijjo Havimi Sano Bhagapura Eta Bhaveha Samadvarayo Shaso Namanta Dhadikkraveva Shuchaye Padaya Arvachi Nam Vasuvidam Bhaganno Rathamivashva Vajina Avahantu Ashvavatir Gomatirna Uhaso Viravati Sadamucchantu Bhadrah Gritanduhana Vishvatah Prapina Yuyam Pata Swastibhis Sadana Yoma Agne Bhaginagum Santamata Bhaganchikirhati Abhagamagne Tankuru Mamagne Bhaginankuru Bhagya Devatayai Namah Om Shanti 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 Jaya Gurudeva Jayatu Gurudeva Sri Radha.